no, sa inyong lahat. And of course, good evening everyone, especially sa ating US team and Canada as well. Hello, Tita Ermi. Kamusta
Hello.
lahat? Hello, Tita. No? So, today is another special training, no? Na talaga naman marami tayong matutunan. Tama ba, Tita Ermi?
Yes, Mentor Dios.
Ano ba? Kamusta ang weather dyan sa Alaska?
Hindi na masyado malamig.
Ay, hindi na. Hindi na freezing cold. Last week, no? Grabe, sabi niyo, sobrang
Oh,
lamig ngayon.
grabe. Negative
No?
last week. Ngayon, hindi na.
Hindi
Mas
na.
okay-okay na siya.
Iyon, no? Okay. So, Tita Ermi, no? Marami tayo nandito sa room, no? And actually, nandito, Tita Ermi, by the way, no? Recognize ko lang, nandito yung na-meet ko sa PPPS Academy, 75 years old, Tita Ermi, no?
Wow.
And right now,
Congratulations. Welcome
Thank
to
you.
USAN.
yan, right now, Tita Ermi, PPPS na siya. Si Tita
Ay, ito ba
Corazon.
si Miss Corazon?
Yes.
So,
Welcome, Miss Corazon, to the group.
to
No? So, ano
Congratulations.
lang, ni-recognize siya, Tita Ermi, sa PPPS Academy last week as one of our PPPS. And at the age of 75, talaga naman ang
Wow.
energy. Di ba? Hindi talaga matutumbasan. Grabe talaga, no?
Yes,
Congratulations, Tita
Mentor.
Cora.
thank you.
Napakalakas ni Tita Cora kasi kasama din namin siya, Tita Ermi, sa Parañaque team. No?
Oh,
So talagang ah, last Tuesday, ang dami niyang guest. Ang dami ng mga
Wow.
dalang pumare niya, no, sa presentation. Ang galing-galing, Tita Cora. Tita Cora, before naman tayo mag-start, baka pwede ka naman mag-share, no, kung bakit ka nag-join sa USANA.
yeah. Ah, una, siyempre, ang Yusana is for our health, no? And then, yun, na ano ako ng friend ko na sumama. And then, dun sa presentation, naintindihan ko kung ano ba yung maidudulot yon sa health natin. Kasi nga ako 75 na, siyempre, pagka yung nagiging senior ka, marami kang nararamdaman sa katawan. So, nung madinig ko lahat yung mga benefits na magagawa para sa akin, mula ulo hanggang sa paa, so yun, nag-start akong mag-join. Yan. Kaya nga i-enjoy ko yung mga benefits sa katawan ko na nagiging mas talo akong healthy at my age. Yun. Kaya tutuloy ko lang.
Wow naman talaga, no? So, gusto niyo yon, no? Have health mula ulo hanggang
Hanggang pa.
paa.
Hanggang
O,
sa
di ba?
face.
Yes, no, naku, grabe, no? So sana, no, ako din, pagdating ko ng 75 years old, kasing lakas mo ako, Tita Cora.
Yeah, talaga nandito tayo sa ating product na the healthiest family in the earth.
On,
So,
totoo yan.
doon. Kasama tayo doon.
Thank you so much, Tita Cora, for a very wonderful sharing, no? And, nako, Tita Cora, this is another very special training kasi ngayong araw na to, hindi lang natin pag-uusapan ng produkto. Ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin, no, paano ba natin magandang i-share siya sa mas maraming tao, no? Kasi
Yeah.
syempre, alam naman natin na maganda naman talaga ang product ng Usana. Pero pag hindi natin alam kung paano to ikukwento, kung paano to magandang sasabihin sa mga kakilala natin, sa mga even sa mga hindi natin kakilala, eh mahihirapan tayo ipakita kung gaano to kaganda.
Yes.
And today, wow, grabe. We have invited a very special person, very expert sa field na to. No, kasi itong tao lang naman studied how the brain works, no? She is actually a nutritionist pero nagmaster siya sa psychology. No, talagang meron siyang pag-aaral, no, kung paano ba how the brain works, no? Paano ba natin kakausapin ng mga tao. And nako, Tita Army, mukhang ready naman na ang mga tao dito, no? So syempre before talaga tayo mag-start, 'di ba? So tanungin naman natin, no, taga saan ba ang mga tao dito sa room? Ayan, can you type sa chat box? 'Di ba? So, kung saan kayo right now? Ayun, no, grabe, no? So, andito ang kanyang maganda na beautiful pa, no, na kapatid na si Maris. Okay, all the way from Batangas. Oh, pero listening in Manila. Ayun, okay. So, meron din dito tayo from Mandaluyong, no? Merong Muntiparlas. Okay. Grabe si Ate Shirley, oh. Talagang duty pa talaga, no? Nasa duty pa sa NAIA, pero talaga naman, okay? Nakikinig talaga naman. Congratulations. Yan ang commitment, 'di ba? So, very good tayo dyan, okay? Okay, sino pa? Ayun, wow, si ano, si Miss Myla, nasa Lipa, Batangas. Of course, Tita Ermi, no? Taga Alaska. Very good, of course. And of course, si Tita Eleanor from Parañaque. Okay, so, ayan, Tita Ermi, no? Talagang talaga tayo nandito sa room ngayon, tama ba? And ikaw ba, Tita Ermi, ano ba ang mga gustong matutunan sa training ngayong araw na ito?
Yes, mentor. So, ang gusto kong matutunan sa training na ito is how to handle objections and the closing technique. So, very important guys na marunong tayo nito. Kasi, kailangan natin ito sa negosyo na ito.
Totoo yan. And of course, before we start, let's start our training with the prayer. No? So, I'll play a video and let's put ourselves in the presence of our dear mighty Lord. No? So, i-share ko lang ang ating screen right now para makapagdasal tayo today. Okay. The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen, no? Praise God, no? So, we are all ready, no? Talaga na makinig ngayong araw na ito. I'm pretty sure ang mga tao dito sa room are also excited to learn more about ano nga ba ang gagawin kapag meron kang prospect at gusto mo ipa-join sa USANA. Kaya lang, di ba, meron ba dito mga tao na pagkatapos ng presentation parang kinakabahan, hindi alam kung anong sasabihin, no? Ang kinakabahan kapag sinabi ng guest, mahal ang pang-join sa USANA, o di ba? O kaya or parang hindi ako marunong, no? Hindi ako marunong mag-invite. I'm not into sales as well. No, so talaga naman Tita Army, no, I'm sure etong mga tao dito sa room will be able to learn more, no, kung paano ba i-handle yung mga ganitong klaseng mga questions, di ba? So, Tita Army, pakilala mo na ang ating speaker for today.
Yes, mentor. Okay, ready na ba lahat?
Yes.
Okay, so ipakilala natin ang ating speaker for tonight or today. She is a registered nurse, a nutrition nurse, dietitian, sorry. So, a neuro-linguistic programming, master practitioner, former VP for operations, family's traditional business, premier platinum pace setter, gold director, rising star and master builder, LU elite Coron qualifier, million peso achiever, team up step up qualifier, Taiwan, Bali, Indonesia, Korea, and master builder qualifier part 1 and 2.
Wow.
So help me welcome and will give us how to learn the mindset and skills to grow your business. Mentor Mary Rose Del Rio.
All right.
Hello, Mentor Mary Rose.
Good day,
Hello.
everyone. Hello, good morning, good morning.
Good
And probably good
morning.
evening ba sa sa Alaska? I don't know, no?
Yes, good
oras ba?
evening
Yes,
ngayon
good
sa
evening.
Alaska.
All right. So, na-excite naman ako kay Tita. Talagang, I think very, no, seldom na talagang yung mga kabataan nila yung nag-i-introduce sa atin. Ayan. So, hello
Okay.
everyone and welcome to our special training. So, thank you, Mentor Deos, no, for really initiating this kind of meetings, diba, para sa ikagugrow ng ating
Yes.
organization. So, feeling blessed
Thank
ba
you so
tayo
much,
today,
Mentor.
guys? Ayan. So, kindly type, I am blessed in the chat box. So, it's a Sunday today here in the Philippines. Sa Alaska ba? Is it still a Saturday? I'm not sure. Hindi ako masyadong sa mga time zone. Saturday. Ayan. So, it's a
Yes,
weekend.
Saturday.
Ayan. Alright. It's a weekend ngayon. Saturday sa Alaska and Sunday in the Philippines. But congratulations that you are here, diba? Kasi pwede mo namang piliin na, ay, weekend, mag-malling-malling na lang tayo or we do other things, right? But considering that you are here, you are showing up for your success, you are showing up for all the goals and dreams that you want to happen this year and especially this quarter 1. Ayan. So, marami tayong pwede pang ma-achieve, no? This for our quarter 1 growth. And of course, yung mga goals and dreams natin, guys, it doesn't just happen na, okay, surprise, gumising ka na lang, andyan na yung goals and dreams mo, but it happens with the right hard work and with the right skill. Sabi nga, marami namang skill na pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay. But, meron po tayong tinatawag na mga high value skill. Ito yung mga skill na kapag ka minaster mo, when you say master, you learn it and you keep on applying it over time. Ito talaga yung magbibigay sa'yo no ng millions millions of dollars over time in a shorter amount of time. Okay? So, pa-type naman this time in the chat box, high value. Kasi may mga hard skill, may mga soft skill, pero ang tanong, yun bang mga skill na natutunan mo na or inaaral mo, can it really give you the life, can it give you the kind of results na gusto mo talaga sa buhay mo? So the skill that you will actually be learning tonight will be applicable not just in your Usana business, but actually in life, diba? Kasi may mga times talaga na you get to negotiate, talk to people, diba? Yung simpleng conversation nyo sa bahay that you need to win on a certain or meron kang mga gustong patunayan, diba? So this is really a high value life skill. Okay? I think that is something that we need to acknowledge first. Kasi 'di ba, magkakasama tayo dito for the next 1 hour or so. But the question is, yung pagbibigay natin ng tamang focus, right, and importance sa training na to, I hope you get to associate it with your goals and dreams happening this quarter and this year. Ayan. Sino yung may mga goals in the chat, and here, pa-type in the chat box. Ayan. So, goals for this year in quarter 1, patingin nga. Kasi parang what's the sense, no? Na-attend tayo ng mga ganitong training kung wala naman pala tayong goals na pinapaglaban. Tama po ba? Ayan, but I am sure kitang-kita naman ni Lord, di ba, that you are really working hard for your dreams. And step 1, especially yung mga bago dito, meron po ba dito mga less than 2 months in the business? Kindly type 2 this time in the chat box. Patingin nga ng ating less than 2 months for those who are still running their PPPS, no? So this is a very good foundation, 'di ba? Na matutunan po natin yung ating ganitong klaseng skill. And for those who have been in the business for quite some time, congratulations because mastery po ang goal natin this time. Okay, so let me share my screen. Let me know if you can see it already. Ayan. Congratulations pala sa mga recent awardees ng ating PPPS. For those who have attended, meron bang mga nandito, no? So some of my associates are also here. Congratulations. Ayan, recently si Miss Jovi and I think others din from your team na nakasama sa ating. Maximize natin yung mga ganun, guys, kasi sa totoo lang, first time ever na kinonduct ng ganun yun ng Usana. And looking forward for the next quarter, right? So kung naging awardee ka na, you can be awarded again on the next quarter by becoming a PPPS creator. Ayan. All right. So I really believe in this quote, no? Sabi nga, when God gives you the dream, He'll assemble the team. And because He gave you the vision, He'll release the provision. So probably for some of you guys, you've just been here in the business for, for quite few months. And regardless of how many are you in the organization, isa, dalawa, nagsisimula ka pa lang, it's very important for you na meron tayong, may nakikita ka dito, 'di ba? Long term. Tama? Because as you keep on growing your skills, no, it's very important na makikita mo where are you headed. Diba? Because it will give you the energy every day, yung passion na okay kahit nakikinig ka lang sa training, talagang talagang you're all out ka 100%. All right. So, yes, I'll just be giving a quick story about myself and at the same time associate it kung paano ko natutunan din yung pagko-closing and handling objections natin. Ayan. So this is my background. Meron ba dito mga nasa healthcare? Pa-type naman ng health in the chat box. So acknowledging all of you guys. No? So this is my profession and the reason I got this program is because tayong hugot about health in terms of marami tayong mga, sino ba dito yung can you share in the chat box pala if you have a certain family history, ayan, yung mga sakit sa puso, cancer, diabetes, etc. Okay, so on my case, marami kasi kaming ganun sa family. That's why I go for my course. So it's very important also, guys, that as you get to ask yung guest nyo or yung prospect nyo, somehow alam nyo yung background niya, di ba? So later, mapag-uusapan natin yan through forming because pagdating sa closing or handling objections, pwedeng dun kayo mag-base as to how the person will decide and it will give them yung urgency of using the products right away and yung mga ganyan. However, apart from health, meron din ako, guys, realization about business. Okay? So, I just also would like to emphasize this one para hindi kayo magalumihanan kung bakit yung kahapon na on the spot ko pero yung today, bakit hindi nag-join? So, nanggagaling yon, di ba? So, we need to come from a place of understanding na yung mga decision-making ng mga kausap natin is based from their beliefs in life. So, may beliefs sila about sa health, may beliefs sila about sa sarili, may beliefs sila about sa negosyo, sa network marketing, and the goal natin is to inform, educate, and empower them in terms of these beliefs. Kasi pag ikaw someone na kinausap ka nila and then you inject this new belief on them, sometimes it takes a certain time. Iba-iba kasi yung comprehension level ng mga tao. Diba? So when you're introducing a certain new information or belief sa tao, that's where yung mga objections like pag-iisipan ko muna or different objections will come in. Nagkakaroon ng some sort of resistance. So, my point being, ano yung reaction mo whenever you get to have yung mga certain objections na yan, right? So, number one, again, come from a place of understanding. Intindihin mo muna yung background o yung belief system ng tao. In that way, mas magiging kalmado kang makapag-isip din on how to properly answer those objections. Okay? So in my case, for example, kung ako yung client mo, right? Kung nakapagtanong ka sa akin kung ano ba yung idea mo about business, meron bang negosyo yung family mo, etc. Right? So like for me, yung background ko, guys, is growing up, tambay ako dyan sa clinic namin for like, parang after school, after prep or grade school, diba, usually sa hapon, uuwi, ganyan. So, yung exposure ko in terms of sales, may mga clients, customers, for 15 years, meron kasi kaming skin clinic business. Ganyan. And at the same time, yung pagkakaroon ng negosyo ng parents ko, dun ko rin somehow na-associate, okay, the power of association, yung pagkakaroon nila ng quality time for us. 5 kaming magkakapatid, and our parents are really present parents. So, lahat ng activities, ng school, talagang andyan sila. Simpleng pagtula namin, andyan sila. So, positive yung perception ko sa pagkakaroon ng negosyo. While others, yung pagdating sa business, ay nakikita nila yung hirap lang, ang nakikita nila yung laki ng kapital. So, it's very important also that you get to ask. Alright? Ano yung understanding ng isang tao in terms of business, right? Ask smart questions. And so growing up, na-acknowledge ko na, alam mo yun, parang nabuo or I had that very firm decision that immediately after graduating, I wouldn't go for employment, but instead, I would find a business that is related to health. Ayun. Kaya naman, kasi di ba sabi nga, kung ano yung talagang sineset out mo na intention sa universe, law of attraction, di ba? Yun talaga yung magmamanifest along the way, or parang God will give you the opportunities that is in alignment, di ba, sa mga gusto mong mangyari. Kasi sometimes, kapag magulo yung isip natin, hindi natin alam kung ano talagang gusto mangyari, right? It's very challenging for you to have what you want, right? That's why clarity is very important. So immediately after graduating, of course, hindi ko pa masyadong alam kung ano talaga yung negosyo na yun related sa health, di ba? Hindi ko pa naman agad-agad nun nalaman or naintindihan ng Usana. And so I just supported initially yung family business namin. And at the same time, no, mahilig ako nun sa baking. I was also supplying mga pastries at Doc's own restaurant here in Lipa. So mga 5 years din yan, no? Until, of course, sabi nga, we are lifelong learners. So I heavily invest into a lot of trainings. Yung mga unang kinikita ko doon sa mga negosyo namin, sa small-time business ko that time, talagang I highly invest, no, sa mga ganyan training. Tony Robbins, magkano yan? Pinakamurang ticket dyan na na-avail namin is 50,000 for 4 days. Wala pang, pumunta pa kami ng Singapore, di ba? Walang food yan or anything. Just the training itself. Kaya nga, yung mga trainings na ganito, guys, i-value natin kasi halos majority of the trainings in Usana are free, right? So if you're really craving for that personal growth, this is really a great platform, no, or an opportunity for you to grow yourself and grow your skills because your income is always proportional to your personal growth, right? So dito sa Millionaire Mind Intensive ni T. Harv Eker ko, mas naintindihan yung difference between active and passive income. So dito ako nagkaroon ng clarity. Sabi ko, shucks, oo nga naman maraming mga pwede kang pasuking negosyo or pagkakitaan. But the question is, yun bang klase ng income mo? Can it give you, or pwede ba yung makapag-build ng passive income over time? So, meron na rin akong ganong consciousness difference between active and passive before ko palang naintindihan ng Usana. Kaya that's why it's very important also for you to ask first, especially whenever before you present a compensation plan to your guest na alamin mo muna, ano ba yung perception niya in terms of, not just in business, but, wait friend, have you heard of the term passive income? Ano ba yung so far pagkakaintindi mo doon? Yun. Kasi kung mamaya, basta mo yan lalatagan ng 6 ways to earn, tapos ibibida-bida mo yung leverage passive income, eh parang zero knowledge pala talaga siya sa ganun. Might as well, bigyan mo muna siya ng konting idea or priming about ano ba yung impact ng pagkakaroon ng passive income over time, right? Before you show the technicalities of having it, okay? So, yun, what's in it for them muna. Ayan. So, kaya kumbaga guys, before ko palang makilala or before ko maintindihan or mapaintindi sa akin ng Usana, ito na yung naging takbo, no, ng isip ko. Hinahanap ko na talaga yung how do I improve my health over time because I have been suffering from allergic rhinitis and I have growing parents na gusto kong tumanda sila nang hindi nagme-maintenance. And second is, I really would like to have a business that can give me or makapag-build ako ng passive income over time while growing myself. So, alam mo yun, parang all at the same time, gusto ko magkaroon ng isang platform or opportunity na simultaneously yung areas na yon sa buhay ko mag-grow. And I didn't expect that Usana can give me that, right? Kasi before, very superficial. Ang understanding ko lang about Usana is simple lang, no? Supplement. Basically, marami na kaming mga supplement na tinitake before. Kaya, guys, no, knowing is different from understanding. Alright? So, yung kausap mo, especially, no, before mo ibigay or mag-start ng presentation, tanungin mo muna, ano ba yung understanding niya rin, no, about Usana. Right? Kasi, para mas ma-point out mo na there's so much more to understand about this opportunity. Ako, sa totoo lang, no, pinanggagalingan ko is that the fact that this person is not taking the products or not even doing the business yet or have tried it before, meron pa talagang kailangang maintindihan niya na hindi pa niya naiintindihan. So your goal is, you must be this person, right? Ikaw yung consultant. O, di ba? Sabi mo, I am a consultant. O, di ba? So as a consultant, right, you are to ask questions and you are to fill in the gap. Ano ba yung hindi naiintindihan? And you are to address the problem, no? Give solution to the person. Okay? So you must always remind yourself, no? Even before you're doing your power hour, you're prospecting, you're inviting, your presentation, who are you? in front of your guest, 'di ba? Because yes, we may have iba-iba kasi yung professions natin dito, no? Sige nga, can you share in the chat box ano po yung profession ninyo, work ninyo, negosyo ninyo, 'di ba? So, like in Yozana, we have different, diverse yung mga professions natin, guys. 'Di ba? May mga engineer, teacher, architect, iba't ibang klase ng negosyante, ganyan-ganyan. And kung maaalala mo, 'di ba? The last time na nagkaroon ka ng kahit gaano kalaking problema sa work mo or sa business mo, talagang career na career mo siyang isolve, right? So, kahit na parang imposible, talagang ginawa mo yung best mo. Okay? So, same goes here in Yuzana business. The goal is, regardless of, the challenges you have in the business and yung problema ng kausap mo, the goal for you is to find a way how you can help the person in terms of having the proper closing and handling objections. So, sino dito ang gusto maka-OT? Ayan, may mga registered nurse, former BPO, freelance writer. So, ang maganda naman dito, no, regardless of your profession, you can really make this happen, this business. Because lahat naman yan, skills lang yan. And skills just need to be developed. Right? You just need to improve it. Ayan, may librarian tayo for 35 years. O, diba? So, sino dito yung gustong maka-OTS this week? Kindly type on the spot. Ayan, in the chat box. On the spot. Sige nga, tingnan natin. Okay, si Mentor Mark Diaz. Okay, guys, so set out your intentions kasi mangyayari talaga to. Mariana, congratulations, maka-OTS. Si Kate Perez, congratulations. Mona Lisa. Jovi Cadores, o, diba? Shirley Bulakia. Sino pang maka-on the spot dyan? Jennifer Mendoza, o, diba? Sino to? Maying Villanueva. Okay, Coach Eleni, Coach Josh, ayan, Melanie Cortez. Congratulations, guys, in advance. May habol pa ba? Mga gusto maka-on the spot? Jeff Apostol, Jules Dalida. Ayan, congratulations, guys. Makaka-on the spot kayo. Kasi alam nyo ba, nung naintindihan ko sa iyo sana, even though I have a prior knowledge already, di ba? However, na-on the spot ako because of these things. Number one, dahil yung ang nag-sponsor sa akin, 'di ba, is yung pinsan ko. Pero dahil bago pa lang din siya, Doc Edu was able to be there to support him in the business. However, siya yung nag-priming, siya yung nag-intro, siya yung nag-edify kay Doc. And talagang ang galing niya, guys, edify or ABC. So bakit natin pinapag-usapan to? I-closing yung usapan, di ba? It's because the closing doesn't just happen in the end, no? The closing happens from the start na magkita kayo. Binibili ka na ng kausap mo, right? How you look, how you say things, di ba? Binibigyan mo ba ng parang sense of parang psychological safety and at the same time credibility yung mga sinasabi mo by the way you speak and the way you dress and the things that you say. It starts with by the time you meet. Ganyan. So ang galing lang kasi hindi pa naman talaga wala namang PowerPoint nung yung pinsan ko, no, si Doc Dex nung present siya sa akin, but he was really full of energy and excitement. Guys, number one talaga yon. Okay? Kasi kung hindi naman feel ng kausap mo na excited ka at, sa sinasabi mo, energy is everything. Yung on the spot, sabi nga, no, in anything in this world, it carries with it a certain energy or vibration. So kung nasa level 100 yung energy ng 500 points, tapos ikaw nasa 50% lang yung energy mo, hindi talaga match. So kailangan, yung mga goals and dreams mo, the things that you want to happen, intentional yan, guys. You really have to match the energy ng mga gusto mong makuha. So, of course, no, strategy din yan. You really have to do something about it. Magtalon ka dyan, mag-music ka muna ng malalakas na bago ka mag-present. Alright? So, walang represent na mababa ang energy. Kindly type pick state in the chat box, no? So, yung mga nagsulat dyan ng on the spot, guys, you really need peak state energy. Hindi yun requirement ng mentor mo. Requirement yun ng goal mo. Requirement yan ng success mo. Ayan. So, peak state, sige nga, type natin in the chat box, peak state energy. So, grabe talaga yung energy niya. Kinuwento niya sa akin, yung convention. Guys, FYI, yung pinsan ko po, no, si Doc Dex, he was presented Yosana 11 times. Pang-12 si Mentor Doc Edu. Grabe yung follow-up, di ba? Kaya fortune is in the follow-up. So marami siyang mga naintindihan during the Singapore Convention. Kaya dapat no magkita-kita tayo sa Malaysia Convention. Because you'll never know kung ano yung klase ng understanding. So, ikaw, tapos dapat meron kang kasama sa organization mo, ideally, marami sa left, marami sa right kang dala-dala during the Malaysia Convention because you'll never know, right? So, that line can bring 5,000 points, diba? In the next few months in your organization. That's why the Malaysia Convention is a very small investment para sa laki ng gain na makukuha mo in the business, right? Think long term tayo, guys. So, imagine, no, in just 2 days, tapos ang PPPS ng pinsan ko, si Doc Edu, ni Doc Dex rather, I'm part of his PPPS. So, grabe yung energy niya, yung excitement niya, kinuwento niya yung nangyari na convention, and ano yung nakikita niya dito, vision niya, moving forward, and then sa Complan, si Mentor Doc yung nag-explain nun. Pero ang galing niya, guys, mag-edify. Talagang feeling ko makakakilala ako ng artista, no? May wow factor. So, ang tanong ko sa'yo ngayon, pag ba pinapakilala mo, for those of you na ina-assist pa mag-present, no? Mga less than 2 months in the business, kung ina-assist pa kayo ng coach or ng mentor mo mag-present, evaluate mo nga kung may wow factor ba yung the way you edify your coach, no? Can you type wow in the chat box? Kailangan yung feel, kasi ang feeling ko talaga nun, guys, no? Yung tipong, grabe, kahit may appointment ako nun, like 2 hours from now, nag-stay talaga ako kasi ako mahilig akong makinig sa mga magagaling na tao. And completely nasabi talaga nung pinsan ko yung credibility, no, ni Mentor Doc. Yan daw siya yung kilala niyo naman, di ba, si Mentor Doc Edu, yung master's sa UP, PhD at age of 27. Kayo, bakit niya iniwan yung 200,000 per month niya sa Lasal para gawin itong negosyo? So ako talagang curious talaga ako. Nasabi, sobrang talino ng taong to. Bakit siya nag-resign? Ganun yung loob-loob ko, guys. So, sabi ko, tapos ano daw, diamond director. So may results na rin yan siya, no? So I'm very excited talaga na malaman kung ano yung sasabihin ni Mentor Doc, right? So, share niya yung results ng mother niya and who is here right now in Yuzana. So, pay in yan talaga, di ba? And at the same time, ito pala, guys, yung bago pa dumating si Mentor Doc Edu, equip yung pinsan ko with Not Research book. Kasi ang tanong ko lang naman sa kanya that time is that, sabi ko, Doc, naririnig ko na magaling naman ng Yuzana. Pero can you please give me an objective basis what makes Yuzana different apart from the others? Kasi sabi ko, meron na kami mga ganitong supplement for life, Herbalife, member na kami sa ganito, ganyan, local, international brands. Why will I take Yuzana in the first place? So, Nutri-Search talaga, guys. Product pa lang, no, sold na ako. Kahit hindi niya fully na-present sa akin yung buong product line, pero nung nakita ko yung Nutri-Search, sabi ko, grabe, 5-star platinum plus sa Yuzana. Sana noon ko pa to naintindihan. Ganong feeling. And then, Doc Edu presented the business. And lastly, guys, yung smart position. So, na-emphasize mo ba yung smart position? Because it creates the urgency. Ayan. So, and then the next is, so nag-gets ko yon yung smart position, right? And then at the same time, yung payment, no, payment option. So, that time, wala pa naman akong credit card, meron lang akong debit, pero di ba hindi naman pa pwede yung debit sa online enrollment, okay? Pero good news, alam ko yung credit card ng nanay ko. So, nag-transfer na lang ako sa kanya. O, di ba? So, right there and then. Kaya naman, na-maximize natin yung smart possession na yan over time. So, why did I commit, no? So, maraming nag-start yung Yuzana, but, you know, there are different reasons of, you know, parang yung level of commitment nila or how they are hustling, no, in the business. So, it's also very important, ikaw, why are you doing this? Kasi ramdam yan, or minsan may mga clients ka talaga na mapapatanong sa'yo, ba't mo ba ginagawa to? Di ba ang bongga-bongga na naman yung work mo? Something like that. So for me, no, what I always say is that it's not just for me, but also for the people around me. And ikaw na kausap ko, I would like to help you to save yourself from the leading cause of bankruptcy, which are, you know, the medical expenses, etc. Kasi, di ba guys, classic example, Chris Aquino, no? Top 1 taxpayer noon, queen of all media. No? Parang feeling natin hindi mauubos yung yaman niya. Pero what's happening right now? Bim is going in the Philippines. So parang di ba ang sakit nun for a mom na alis yung anak mo para lang magtrabaho because, you know, the medical expenses are piling up and the savings are not enough anymore. Right? So tayo pa ba na alam naman natin, di ba, na you know, at certain point of our life talagang mas mayaman pa rin talaga sa Chris Aquino, pero hindi pa rin talaga sapat. 'Di ba? Talagang pwedeng yung health pa rin yung uubos ng yaman natin. So, where are you coming from? It's very important na ramdam ng guest mo na, you know, very sincere ka sa gusto mong mangyari sa kanya. And at the same time, malinaw sa'yo bakit mo ginagawa yung negosyo. Kasi if it's clear for you, why are you in this business, madali sa'yong yung mga, hindi ka nagkakaroon ng hesitations whether you will push the person for 300, 500 points or more than that, right? Because you know kung saan kayo papunta. Alam mo yung destination, 'di ba, na pupuntahan mo. Sino din dito, guys, yung recently meron kang pinuntahang, I don't know, vacation or destination kung saan nagyaya ka ng friends mo? Can you share in the chat box? So let's say, barkada, uy, punta tayo sa La Union, maganda doon. Kanya. Sino dito? Can you share in the chat box? Anong lugar yung recently mong pinuntahan with your friends? Sige nga, La Union, Zambales, Palawan, Boracay, may I know? Bolinao, ayan, si Coach Josh. Sige nga, what else? Ano yung recent destination kung saan nagyaya ka? And grabe, no, ang galing mo magyaya. Talaga namang parang hindi pwedeng hindi sasama sa'yo yung friends mo. Ganong level. Ilocos Norte, ayan, Baguio. You're very convincing yung powers mo, no? Ganyan. So, ganyan din, guys, yung level pag nagko-close tayo ng deal. It's the same, right? Kasi, bakit talagang ang galing mo magyaya, no? Sa mga friends mo and sa mga barkada mo. To the point na parang feeling nila, pag hindi sila nag-join sa'yo sa destination na yan, they will miss out a lot. Ayan. So, the question being, alam mo ba talaga kung saan mo dadalhin yung kausap mo, no? So ako kasi, guys, yun din talaga yung nilinaw ko sa sarili ko para magkaroon ka ng feeling of confidence and resolve na resolve ka, right? Regardless, sa totoo lang, no, regardless of kung ano yung objection, kasi paulit-ulit lang naman yung mga objections, concerns ng mga tao in terms of time, skills, etc. Okay? So you will really think of a lot of ways para mapadyon yung kausap mo kung sa'yo pa lang malinaw na sa'yo kung saan mo dadalhin or saan papunta yung opportunity na ito. So kaya nilist down ko siya dito, why are you, for me, no, ito yung sa akin, but probably sa inyo, pwedeng may ilan dyan, plus you can, dalhin mo pa yan, dagdagan mo pa, okay, it's up to you. But for me, diba, who doesn't want to have health, time, and financial freedom? Who doesn't want passive residual income? Diba, gusto natin hindi lang tayo makaka-experience nito, but more so of our friends and the people around us, right? Because pag meron ka lahat nito, no, continuous growth, maturity in life, positive, encouraging, driven, and passionate people, diba? You get to have sense of accomplishment. You get to travel a lot for free. You live your life with purpose and mission. You get to have sense of worth. And every day, no, you feel that you are really valued. I think this is really having life worth living. And imagine kung sa family mo, hindi lang ikaw, but more so yung family members mo or your friends. 'Di ba? Wala sa suffering state. Sabi nga ni Tony Robbins, dalawang state lang yan. It's either you're living in a beautiful state or in a suffering state. Wala yung middle ground, right? And if you have a lot of this in this list, then you are living in a beautiful state. So the question being, sino sa mga nandyan sa prospect list mo and the people around you yung gusto mong dalhin sa ganitong estado ng buhay? But then again, it starts with a clarity of that, no, yung list na yon. And then, kailan mo ba gustong mapapayin yung kausap mo? Now or later? Sige nga, paki-share in the chat box. Kasi may iba, hesitant pa na, o sige, bukas na lang, usap na lang ulit tayo bukas, or ganyan. Or now na, yung as in now, di ba? Kailangan yun na mag-decide now. Okay, so, I'm sure yung mga nagsulat dyan ng OTS kanina, definitely, pag sinabing on the spot yan, it has to be now. Not later, not tomorrow, now na. Okay, so ano yung kailangan mo ngayon maintindihan para maging now, no? Yung decision ng client mo, yung talagang excited siya, i-key-in yung details niya, excited siyang ibigay sa yung credit card, ganong level. And at the same time, kailangan malinaw din sa'yo, ano ba yung ideal na bilhin ng client mo? Sige nga, yung next, yung OTS mo after this training, would you want your guest to join 300 or 500 points? Kasi the point is, hindi naman alam ng client mo kung ano ba talaga, paano ba talaga mag-start in Yosanay. Ilang points ba talaga? So it starts with you. Ikaw talaga, no, yung may control. So yung question ko sa'yo being, ilang points mo ba gustong mag-join sa'yo yung kausap mo? 300, 500 points. Okay, kindly type in the chat box. Kasi again, it starts with a clarity in you. Ilang points mo ba gusto mag-join sa'yo ang kausap mo? Sige, let's answer it in the chat box. 300, 500 points. You set out that intention, no, in the universe. Ayan. So, type in the chat box. Sige po, 300 or 500 points or more than that. Ayan. Congratulations, Miss Joselina Liames. 500 points. Melanie Cortez. O, diba? Wow! Guys, babaha ng 500 points this week. Moving forward, this quarter. Okay, so alalahanin mo. You can also consider, no, regardless of pag nando ka na sa closing or handling objections or even before you start the presentation, bakit ka nga ba nag-join sa'yo sana? Sige nga, this time, sagutin natin to. Why did you join? Is it because of the product? Nakita mo yung dollars, yung passive income? Ako, for me, it's the products and the fact of building passive income and able to empower people, no, while growing myself at the same time. Sa akin yun. So, kasi kung ano yung reason mo of joining Usana, that's the very important. Wag mong kakalimutang i-share yan sa closing. Okay? That's why ngayon pa lang, dapat malinaw sa'yo. And kung products yan, ano naman nag-impact sa'yo ng product? What is it about the products? Yun, kailangan mo rin yan siyang ma-elaborate. So these things, guys, no, the details that I'm telling here, I hope you're taking down notes para ma-apply mo yan siya. So some principles that you need to remember is that you are mainly responsible to close the deal. So for those of you guys na somehow minsan ina-assist pa ng coach or mentor during presentation, kahit ano pang rank, no, kahit si Dr. Wentz pa ang kasama mo during the presentation, at the end of the day, you are the one who is mainly responsible to close the deal. Ikaw. Okay? So, why? Because people buy you before opportunity. Paki-type sa chat box, ako. Ayan, ikaw talaga yan. Regardless of kahit gaano pa kagaling mag-present si coach or si men. Actually, guys, no, nung naintindihan ko rin to, that's why I took charge of the presentation din already. Sabi ko, anyway, nung college naman, di ba, marami tayong mga slides na tayo na rin naman yung nag-handle ng kung paano siya i-elaborate. Anyway, ako, yung products naman, product training lang ako and elaborate lang. Ito para sa puso, ito para sa liver. And then the comp plan, ano. So, when I get to have those basics already, I took charge immediately of the presentation during my PPPS run din. Kasi that time, si Mentor Doc Edo was in South Africa when I was running my platinum. So, you really have to take charge. So, anyway, this is my business and feeling ko mas makakarami ako ng presentation pag marunong ako. Kasi not all the time, si mentor, okay yung schedule niya. And I acknowledge that, I respect that because the team is huge, right? And the more I step up, kasi nga duplication business to. So, ang na-realize ko nun, the faster I learn and duplicate myself, ganun din, mas mabilis lalaki ang organization, right? Kung mas marami ang marunong, okay? So, initially, nagkaroon din naman ako ng mga challenges, no? Hindi naman agad-agad is nakaka 500 points tayo, nakaka on the spot. Dumating din ako sa initial part, no, when I was starting na siya, hindi ko masabi yung, may nakaka-relate pa dun, guys, parang hindi ko masabi yung cash po ba or credit card, yung ganon, 500 points. Sino dito yung type me in the chat box if somehow nararanasan mo siya ngayon or naranasan mo siya before, right? So, ang maganda, i-acknowledge mo siya and you work your way through, no, in addressing that. So, na-realize ko that I had a lot of misconceptions or limiting beliefs which slowed down my business. Ang dami kong mga kailangang, kumbaga, no, pero hindi pala to kailangan, parang gano'n, nag-overthink lang pala. So, I thought I needed to have good slides, mga ganyan, kaya lagi akong revise ng presentation, mga ganyan. Kailangan ba perfect presentation skills? Hindi naman pala. At the end of the day, it's just about focusing on what the person wants, diba? So, isa rin to sa misconception na feeling ko noon, kung hindi ako sasamahan ni Mentor Doc Edu or ni Doc Dex, feeling ko hindi ako maka-on the spot. So, hindi pala, no? Kasi nga, BYBO naman talaga tong business natin. Hindi mo naman kailangan fully memorize yung laman ng ingredients ng products, yung mga ganyang level, diba? Hindi mo naman kailangan maghintay ng big result, bago mag-pay in yung guest mo, ganyan. Kasi may mga tao naman talagang hindi talaga yan sila sa result mo na. But of course, no, results still matters. But especially when you are starting, somehow, parang ano pa yan, no? In any business naman when you are starting, talagang hindi naman agad-agad ng milyon-milyon yan, no? But of course, it's through the everyday things that we do that we get to have results over time. Ayan. So, hindi ko rin kailangang hintayin na magkaroon pa ako ng major health improvement bago ko gawin ng Lozana because marami naman dyang health testimonials that I can borrow. Diba? So, yan yung mga parang hindi naman pala talaga, major things right before ma-on this podcast. So, baka lang may some of those areas na holding you back. Bakit feeling mo hindi ka breakthrough sa pag-OTS or 500 points dyan. And clarity ng goal. So, tumanim din sa akin yung sinabi ni Mentor Doc na, Mary Rose, hindi ka dito lecturer ha. Hindi ka dito parang nagdi-discuss lang. Dapat may goal at the end of the presentation. Matanong mo talaga yan siya. Product user ba, business or both? Do you have a Visa, MasterCard? No, credit card ba yan? Okay, po natin. I-encode na natin yan. And by prerequisite, guys, ang pag-on the spot. No? So ideally, you get to attend all of these trainings. Why? Because pagdating sa handling objections, yes, may script ka, pero kasi if the script is not backed up by may mga realization ka na talaga, iba yung pagbitaw ng mga salita kapag alam mong naiintindihan mo talaga yung sinasabi mo. Kung hindi mo man na personally experience yung mga ganong realizations na yon. Iba rin kasi kapag ka nag-visualize or na-imagine mo na siya through the stories sa NDO na narinig mo at pag-attend ng maraming trainings. Basic skills, of course, hindi ka naman makakapagdala ng guest kung hindi mo in-apply yung other skills, prospecting, inviting, and goals. Kaya ko tinanong ko rin kayo guys kanina kung may mga goals ba kayo this quarter or this year. Kasi talagang yung energy in presenting and in learning the skills for presentation, all out ka talaga dyan. Pag alam mo yung may pinapaglaban ka talaga, non-negotiable goals this quarter specifically. Okay? So excitement comes from this. Enrollment link generation. I hope marunong din tayo mag-generate na ng link because there are people talaga na even though hindi pa natatapos ang presentation dahil tiwala naman sila sa'yo, right away magjo-join yan siya. So I think it's not proper na mapag-usapan nyo ng coach nyo sa harapan ng guest na, uy, kanino ko ba ito idudugtong? Saan ko ba ito puposisyon? It's part of the game plan. Dapat before pa lang, nung presentation, ready na ang enrollment link. For us, ganun yung ginagawa namin culture. And it also, parang minamanifest mo na rin, di ba, na talaga mag-join yan. You're setting your mind na at the end of the presentation, kailangan mabuksan tong enrollment link na to. Di ba? Ganun. Alright? So, okay. So, this is how it goes, di ba? Before you get to the closing, ako, I believe, yung pag-on the spot, especially, pagdating sa mga pag-on the spot ng ating guest, it happens really if sa simula pa lang, quality yan siya. Kung tama ang naging prospecting mo, tama rin yung na-qualify mong tao, hindi mahirap mag-on the spot, right? I would like to acknowledge, one of my associates here, yan, si Miss Jovi. Just yesterday, we just also closed the deal ng afternoon. So, quality talaga yung guest. Walang actually objections din talaga. Dire-diretso lang. Kasi nga, may need. Nalaman yung need even before the presentation. And then may means din yan siya. And then, there's a relationship. Okay? And also, Jovi was able to have a very good edification, priming, and closing then the deal. So, swabe. Okay? So, game plan. Alright. Before the presentation, because swabe ang closing and magiging hindi ka kakabahan sa handling objections kapag talagang napag-usapan nyo ng maayos ng coach mo yung game plan. Ano yung i-emphasize nyo, nasabi mo sa kanya yung profile ng client, etc. etc. So you just take a screenshot of this one. Okay, so apart from the script, kasi there was a time guys na especially when I was starting, yung challenge, it's also very challenging for me maka 500 points. And I'm really finding out, bakit ba parang may sort of resistance ako magtanong kung and mag-push yung ganyan. And then, I was able to kaka-attend ng training about handling objections, closing. Sabi ko, ito talaga yun eh. Minsan, bakit hindi mo ma-deliver ng maayos yung script or hindi mo siya masabi with conviction, hindi mo ma-push yung client mo kahit alam mong ka-push-push naman. It's because there are other elements, okay, ng in terms of closing. So, yun nga, number one, kung quality ba yung guest, right? Na kabisado mo ba yung flow or familiar ka ba dun sa flow ng closing na alam mo hindi ka lang para mag-present, di ba? But you're there to close the deal and to give clarity. And at the same time, may other elements including the mindset, the posture. So kumbaga, ito yung pwede mong balik-balikan if halimbawa or sort of evaluate in terms of bakit ba hindi ko na-close yung guest ko ng isang araw? Is it because hindi siya ganun ka-quality? Is it because yung limited time that we have, hindi ko na follow yung flow kung saan kami pumunta, na pag-usapan, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi naging parang very, kumbaga, naguluhan ka sa mga nangyari, etc. And at the same time, kamusta ba yung mindset mo at that time? Were you able to even remind yourself ng role mo in front of your guest? How about your posture, no? Maayos ba yung pananamit na yun? Do you look like a future star diamond director? Because you're saying na, grabe, no? You can build your passive income, millions of dollars, etc., etc. Do you look like one, right? So, presentable ba yung itsura natin? Yung script, handling objection, reality. So, yung mga ganyan. Sense of urgency, naramdaman ba sa'yo ng guest mo na, the power of the now, the difference of if I decide now versus I decide later. Yung mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So I hope, at this point, remind yourself of the previous presentations, diba? And tingnan mo, alin dito sa part na to that you need further improvement, right? Every after presentation. Kasi may mga iba-iba yung makakausap mo, iba-iba yung magiging setup ng presentation. That's why, naman tayo niyan? Continuous improvement. So, hihimayin natin to guys. I will walk you through each and every area. Okay ba yon? Para mas ma-internalize mo yan siya. Okay? So, your mindset is all about the thoughts and your perspective, the things that are running on your mind. Right? Your posture, how you carry yourself. Script, of course, nandiyan na yan. Handling objections. Ipapasadahan lang natin later yung script, but I believe na most importantly, yung mga internal. Because I believe if the internal is fixed, mas madideliver mo ng ayos yung script, and you can also, ikaw mismo, lalabas talaga sa'yo lahat ng mga pwedeng realizations. Ayan. Ano ba dapat yung mindset? Alin dapat yung fini-feed mo or siniset mo talaga dyan sa isip natin? Number one, I can help this person. Okay? Because if you carry with you that power, of course, with God's grace, binibigay naman sa atin yan ni Lord, yung ganyang wisdom, right? Kung nandun ka sa, I can give solution to this person, talagang iba yung level ng pagko-close mo, diba? Ano yung napapaloob doon sa I can help this person? You can help this person in terms of the following, like having a better quality of life, sa health man niya, sa finances man niya, time freedom, etc. Kung ano yung nakita mo or na pag-usapan ninyo, no? So, i-point out mo kung health yan, alin sa health niya. Okay, masakit ang tuhod niya, yung joints niya, i-point out mo yun, yung diabetes niya, hypertension niya, etc., etc. Finances. So, yung sinabi niya na, kasi meron akong anak na magdodoktor, importante yung additional source of income. So, you really have to point it out. Hindi yung parang generic lang na, ito, dagdag income. Dagdag income in terms of what? Anong impact ng dagdag na income dun sa buhay niya? Right? Time freedom. O, diba? Mas may enjoy mo yung time with your, diba, meron kang 3-year-old tsaka 5-year-old. Diba? Masarap na hindi mo kailangang, you have an option, not to work because na yung oras with your kids, madaling lumipas sa mga ganyan-ganyang bagay na bagay-bagay. Okay, BYBO, know that people buy, sino binibili ng tao? Sige nga, yung i-answer natin guys in the chat box. Can you answer this? What does this mean? BYBO. People buy, sino binibili ng tao? Is it Yuzana? Is it the product? Is it the dollars? Sino talaga yung ultimatum, no? Kasi there was actually this study, sabi nga ni Mentor Rob, kung bibili sa yung tao at kung patuloy na bibili, the repeat sales ng tao, yes, partly nandun yung ganda ng brand, ganda ng product, but it's really about this. Ito talaga yung key. Ayan, ikaw talaga, people buy you. Ano yung you? What about the you, no? Ayan. So they buy into your sincerity. Ramdam ba niya na points lang ang habol mo o pinaparamdam mo dun sa tao na grabe, ang galing talaga ni Coach Elanie kasi talagang pinopoint out niya talaga yung health needs ko in particular, yung needs ng anak ko, needs ng family namin, yung ganun. So kung paulit-ulit ka dun sa bring up mo yung mismong problema ng tao during the presentation. Kasi we might even have a standard presentation. But sabi nga ni Mentor Michelle, no, always be closing. Ang closing doesn't just happen in the end, but it really happens even yun nga, by the time you start talking and even during the presentation. Tahi-tahiyan siya, guys. All right? It's really um related yan sila. And at the same time, you talk about solutions and very specific ka doon. Kasi marami naman talagang pwedeng i-bring up na solutions when in terms of Usana. But you really have to be very specific on that. Know that it is your responsibility, the one who invited, no, to finally close the year. So take charge on that because it starts and ends with you. Posture, power dressing, etc. So ito, no, very important to, especially for those who are starting. Ayan. Di ba, kunwari, magsa-start na kayo ng presentation. We highly suggest this one because I commonly observe this, especially for those who are starting na, uy, grabe, thank you for your time po ha. Buti na lang you're able to make it. So I'm acknowledged naman, guys, and I actually kumbaga recognize na gusto nyo magbigay ng acknowledgement dun sa person, yung sa favor. But however, you can say this instead. Uy, friend, sobrang excited ako sa'yo kasi I believe kailangan mo to na sobrang makakatulong to sa'yo in terms of your, ayan, tapos pwede mong banggitin kung ano man yung nalaman mo na need ng tao. Why? Kasi importante na may posture ka. Okay, whenever you start the presentation, you are giving the favor. Diba? Imagine you are giving the opportunity. Sila pa nga actually yung dapat magpasalamat. But actually, there are better words to say whenever we convey this kind of, whenever we want to convey this kind of expression. Ayan. So consciously think that it is your role to educate, influence, and empower in any part of the presentation. So take note that in every conversation, Usana man yan, or in any conversation that you do, lalo na kung dalawa lang kayo nag-uusap, no, or even in a group, talagang may mag-i-influence at mag-i-influence dyan. Make sure na ikaw yun. Yan. May iba kasi nadadala, especially for those no na, you're starting out in the business. Sabi nga, it's very important na for you to carry that consciousness, that awareness na, kasi baka mamaya, mas grabe yung energy niya sa'yo na, hindi talaga yan. Hindi, no, gano'n. Tapos nadala ka na rin. Di ba? Naging negatron ka na din. That's why, start pa lang, no, having the consciousness na you will be able to educate, influence, empower, right, throughout the conversation. So having this consciousness gives you really, that control na ano talaga yan, regardless kung ano yung behavior. Kasi meron talaga, guys, mga kausap tayo na medyo, alam mo yun, pwede ka talagang madala. Pero, again, ito talaga, big help talaga yan. Kasi ang dami kong sobrang big time ng mga clients. They are like, and even older than me. That's why, regardless of your age, meron bang mga millennials dito, no? Ayan, regardless of your age, kahit sino pang presidente or posisyon ng kahit anong kumpanya, industry, or organization, know that when it comes to Usana, you have the edge. Kasi, diba, ano ka naman, you're able to train yourself, and when it comes to Usana, you know better. Yun lang yun. Okay? So first is, after the presentation, diba, tatanong mo siya, ano ba yung pinaka nagustuhan mo? Huwag mo siya tatanungin, may nagustuhan ka ba? Kasi pwede niya sabihin niya na wala. Positive question leads to positive answer. Right? Ano yung pinaka nagustuhan mo sa product? Yan. So ako, when I usually discuss the presentation, the products, muna ganyan. Before I jump into the comp plan, I asked first, ano yung pinaka nagustuhan mo sa products? Ganyan. Sige nga, can I ask a volunteer, no? Sino na dito yung more than 2 months? And yan, yung mga nagsabi kanina na gusto nila maka-OTS. Ayan. Mentor Deyes, can you volunteer someone, especially for for those na nag-OTS kanina,
Oh, guys,
nag-chat,
sino gustong
whoever,
gusto mag-try? Ako, grabing
revalid na
opportunity,
tayo. Let's go.
guys. Type me in the chat box. Sino gusto magkaroon ng on-the-spot pay-in this week? Teka, nagka-type pa. Ayun, si Randy
Randy, ayan. Sige si Randy,
Cardenillo.
let's call out Randy. Hi, Randy. Can you unmute yourself? Ano lang to, Q&A. Practice. Kasi nakaka 500 points ka daw eh. Yes. Hi, Randy. Ayan, unmute tayo, coach.
Okay, yan, let's go. Na-unmute ko na si Randy.
Hi, Randy. How long have you been in the business and what's your profession?
Teka, parang hindi ata siya maka-unmute. Okay, try naman natin.
Other, tayo?
Sige, try natin ito. Si
Hello.
Colleen.
Hello.
Ayan, okay na siya. Hi, Coach
Hello.
Randy. May I know your...
Hello, mentor.
Yes, may I know your profession for work business?
I'm a business owner, small business owner.
Opo, ano pong negosyo natin?
Online printing.
Oh, online printing business. Okay, that's good. So, bakit po kayo nag-join sa USANA?
This is a second time around.
What made you join the opportunity?
Ngayon kasi naisip ko na gusto ko na siyang gawin. Dati kasi hindi pa ako ready.
Okay.
So,
Sige.
nung na-share ulit sa akin, parang na-amaze ako kasi ang laki na pala ng pinagbago ng USANA.
Wow, di ba?
So, yun.
Yes. Okay.
Pero nag-iba na ako ng grupo.
All right,
So,
sige po. Randy, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So this time, Coach, congratulations, and we're welcoming you once again. Once a USANA, always a USANA family, right? So, ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng practice. Kunwari po, kayo yung guest, di ba? So, ako yung nag-present sa inyo. So, imagine na pinresent ko sa inyo yung product, ganyan. And then, tatanungin ko kayo, no? Sir, ano po yung pinaka nagustuhan nyo dun sa mga products na napakita ko kanina? Alin po sa tingin yung pinaka makakatulong for you and your family?
Sa tingin ko yung Sensential. Kasi marami na rin ako naririnig. At saka nasubukan ko na yan before pa.
That's good. Ano po yung mga how did you feel nung ano po siya before?
Meron din ako kasing health concern sa sarili.
Sir, nung nasubukan niyo, ano po yung health concern niyo, sir?
Actually, fatty liver. Then meron din akong mataas din ang creatinine ko, tapos may gallstone.
Okay.
So, sugar ko mataas din.
Ilang taon na kayo, sir?
51.
Alright.
So, up to now, naka 15 or 26 days na yata ako or something ganun. So, malaki ang pinagbago talaga. Ang laki ng improvement nung lalo na nag-take din ako na sumali din ako sa challenge ng fat loss. So doon ko na naramdaman talaga na mayroon siya, effective talaga siya. So lalo akong ginanahan na i-share yung product. Actually, mayroon na akong shinerahan na may sakit. So yung gusto ko is kumbaga yung purpose ko talaga ay matulungan ko siya. Isa yun para sa isang bagay yun para pag napatunayan na gumaling siya sa USANA dahil sa akin. So malaking points yun para sa akin. Malaking bagay yun para ma-share ko din sa iba.
Apo. Sige, muna natin, i-pause muna natin on that part na you were able to kumbaga mention, tinanong ko kayo na ito, kumbaga ang setup kasi natin guys, ang scenario is that kunwari si Sir Randy, hindi pa yan siya nag-join, pinresentan ko yan siya, and then after the product, I asked him, ano po yung pinaka nagustuhan niya sa product, and then sabi niya, Cell Essentials daw, and yun nga, no? So let's say you are the person who presented to him the second time around, tapos sinabi niya na, may experience na ako before sa Cell Essentials. So you can even bring up na, ano po yung na-experience niya before sa Cell Essentials, and you can also ask if ever kung hindi siya nagdiretso or whatnot, is it because of the price or baka wala lang siyang nabibilhan noon, ganyan-ganyan, para ma-address mo rin siya ora-orada no? Or later, ganyan. And you have to keep those in mind. So given 51 years old siya, sige po, ayan, mute muna tayo. Thank you so much, Sir Randy, palakpakan natin, no? Ayan,
Thank
si
you,
Sir
thank you,
Randy.
Mentor.
Thank you po, salamat po. So, and at the same time, ang maganda nun guys, na bring up niya na meron pa siyang other problem. So that gives you again, wear your consultant hat. Andito ka para magbigay ng solusyon. So, sinabi niya, yes, binring up niya na, para maganda yung Cell Essentials. However, pwedeng sa perspective kasi natin, kabisado mo na yung products, pero no guys, na hindi pa super alam talaga ng client mo yung mga nabanggit mong products. So, kung nabanggit yung mga fatty liver, etc., alam mo naman ano yung solusyon, hindi naman solusyon, ano yung product na makakasupport in terms of fatty liver. Can you type that in the chat box? So, this time, wear your consultant hat, guys. Ayan, sige nga. Sige, isa pa. Sige, let's bring, can we ask another one? Sige po, Mentor Deus. Sino yung pwede pang?
Ayan. Okay.
Yung
so,
sunod na nag-type ng OPS. or
ayan,
whoever.
ang dami nag-type Mentor Hepacil and Cell Essentials. O, di ba? Bongga. O, yan. Powerful talaga. One of my favorite products talaga yung Hepacil. Kaya laging maganda ang skin. O, di ba? Okay,
Ayan.
sige. Third down, no? Ito, try natin. Ito, next nag-message kanina. Miss Colleen. And Miss Colleen, kayo naman. Yan. Kaya ba mag-unmute?
Yes, hello.
Yeah. Hi. Oo. Kindly let us know your background, profession, or business.
Currently, I'm employed as area manager of Osave Trading. It's a retail industry.
Area manager in the retail industry. O, di ba? Mga bongga talaga, tatalino talaga ng mga kasama natin dito. Alright, ma'am. So, for example, no, kayo tuloy natin yung scenario, di ba? So, na-share mo na, okay, sa Cell Essentials, and then you were able to share na ito pa yung mga health concern mo, ganyan. This time naman, babalik ka rin natin, no? Ang scenario being, ikaw ngayon yung magbibigay ng solusyon. So, narinig mo na ito yung, sige, techno, sorry, para maano yung so, i-mute muna si techno yan. Thank you so much. Alright. You can hear me, no? Si Ma'am Colleen. Na-mute at techno. Mute muna natin si techno para. Alright, thank you so much. Okay, hello, Coach Colleen, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ayan, alright. So, this time, for example, yun nga, narinig mo yung guest na ito yung mga challenges niya. What are the products that you can recommend?
Cell Essentials. Tapos, yung Hepacil for the liver. And yung grapeseed. That's all.
Alright. So, let's say yung grapeseed, no? Proflavanol C, parang paano makakatulong sa akin yung Proflavanol C100 if the client will ask that? Ano yung in relation sa mga problema niya?
Kasi diba yung Proflavanol is may antioxidant din siya. It help dun sa mga illnesses na nabanggit. Tapos, ayun.
Ayan, sige. In addition to that, definitely, no? Ayan, makakatulong yan din talaga. Ang goal kasi natin, guys, ayan, ang goal din natin, guys, dito, bakit natin kailangang tanungin after discussing the product kung ano talaga yung naintindihan niya, no? Or naintindihan niya na makakatulong sa kanya. Para later, sa dulo ng presentation, pag pinakita mo yung package, hindi ka makaka-receive ng objections. Ay, parang ang dami. Yan. So, kailangan, ang ma-realize niya is that, oh wow, andito pala lahat ng kailangan ko. Yun. Kasi nga, even before the complan pa lang, nakita mo sa kanya na hindi lang pala sa essentials, Hepasil, Prof C, ang kailangan niya, but also, ma-realize niya na, kailangan ko rin pala ng coquinone. Kailangan ko rin pala ng, o kung may mga anak siya na ages 2 to 12 years old, ay sir, di ba nabanggit mo kanina? Yan, you can also elaborate more on that, no? Let's say, sir, nabanggit mo kanina, meron kang anak na ages. Paano pag ang more information ng client, di ba? Meron siyang anak na either 2 to 12 years old, tapos meron din siyang kasama sa matanda sa bahay na, let's say, parents niya, di ba? Living with elders, mga ganyan. Tapos at the same time, sabi nga ni sir kanina, no, gusto niyang mag-weight loss. Okay. So add mo to, Coach Colleen, ano pa yung mga products na makakatulong? Kung ito yung more profile ng client.
Sa weight loss, yung Nutrimil. Actually, almost 2 weeks pa lang ako, kaya medyo inaaral ko pa lahat yung mga
okay lang po,
products.
okay. Alright, no worries po. Sige po, what else? Sa ages 2 to 12 years old na bata,
Yung
may bata.
Yung Usanimals for the 2 to 12.
Okay, good. Ayan.
Then, Biomega. Ayun, that's all.
Ayan, alright. So, palakpakan naman natin si Coach Colleen, di ba? Colleen, congratulations. So, dana-dana yung PBPS mo kasi 2 weeks pa lang siya, di ba? Ayan. So, living with elders, ang super must talaga guys sa elders, no? Apart from the three, the Magnical, and Visionex. So, maganda rin guys, may idea kayo what the 500 points package contain. Isa yan sa mga basic. Why? Because you cannot push something if you don't understand kung ano yung binibenta mo, right? So, that's why it's very important na paano mo mapapaintindi na yung laman ng package is kailangan ng tao. Right? Kasi again, you have to get the reaction na, oh wow, ang ganda naman ng healthy lifestyle na yan. Lahat yan kailangan ko. Yon. Pero before mo ipakita yon, kailangan ma-process mo muna siya sa part na to na ito pala yung kailangan niya. Ayun, alright? So again, no, moving forward, basic yung cell essentials. 'Di ba? Kung 4 pairs yung nandun sa healthy lifestyle, oy sakto. 'Di ba? This can be for you, 1 month yan siya, and then for your parents, ganyan. Fatty liver, Hepasil. Itong proflavanol si guys, lalo na sa may mga mataas ang sugar, no, it actually improves insulin resistance. Yung CoQ10, pag diabetic guys, bumababa yan. So that's why kailangan may CoQ yan. 30 yan talaga. Omega-3, well, very basic naman yan. And you know why, no? For memory, heart, anti-inflammatory, ganyan. And whenever you have these diseases, you really need something for to address the inflammation. Yung mga ganun. So you can also that's why product training is very important para masabi nyo sa kanila in what way makakatulong yung product in relation dun sa mga health concerns nila to support. Again, no? Yun, 2 to 12. Nabanggit mo kanina may anak ka, so Usanimals makakatulong. Mga elderly, para hindi magkaroon osteoporosis, Magnical D, must yan. Prevent macular degeneration, Visionex, no? Kasi lumalabo ang mga mata ng matatanda. Nabanggit din niya, gusto niya mag-weight loss. So, Nutrimil, sakto, yan po yung laman ng healthy lifestyle, etc. Pagdating ng dulo. But then again, hindi mo masasabi yun kung hindi mo muna siya natanong right after you discussing the products. Okay? Kasi nga, iba't iba ang comprehension level ng mga tao. Right? That's why having this part, no, before you push through with a comp plan will give you a smooth closing later after the whole presentation. Maiibalik mo yan siya. Kasi mamaya, pag pinakita mo yung package, others would say na, pwede bang cell essentials muna? Ang maganda doon, natanong mo siya, paano yung fatty liver mo? Paano yung yung sa sugar mo, di ba? Sabi mo may anak ka na sakitin, Usanimals or makakatulong. Yun. Mabibring up mo to, part na to, lalo na kung, magkaroon siya ng mga objections later sa dulo with regard to the need of the product. That's why ask questions. Next is that after the comp plan, di ba, na-discuss mo yung comp plan, etc. So, importante mapakita mo. Usually kasi, I show this one. Kung na-update ko na to. Sorry, hindi ko pa ito na-update. 52,490 yan tayo, di ba? So, papapiliin mo yan siya, di ba? Kung package or customize. So, usually, before namin ipakita yung 300 points, ito na muna. Right? And then, pag nag-gauge namin na parang go naman siya, pero ito lang talaga yung budget niya as of the moment. And then, that's the time we show that 300 points. And then, ito guys, yung part na kailangan ready na kayo sa objections. Diba? Huwag na kayong magulat na may mga ganyan. Lalo na kung though may mga swabe lang din talagang closing, no? It rarely happens. Depende kung gaano ka-quality and kaka-trust sa'yo yung client mo. But know that concerns or objections are normal. And as long as you are ready for it, there's nothing to worry about, right? So, usually I ask with, yan, ito po yung mga kailangan nyo, etc., ganyan. And then, we can finalize this or you can, sige, ano muna na natin. Okay. You can ask kung, do you have Visa, MasterCard? Yun. So, you can avail all of these, no, with either Visa, MasterCard, meron po ba kayo? So, sasabihin naman niya kung wala naman siyang credit card. Okay. Wala naman wala akong credit card. Then, the option can be GCash po or online bank transfer. Ayan. So, di ba meron ditong PH, meron din ditong other countries. So, maganda, alam niyo yung options. I think sa US, they also acknowledge PayPal. Yan. So, be aware of the payment options in your respective countries and the packages also. So, for the Philippines, dalawa po yung package namin. In US, I think there are a lot of bundles. Ayan. So, ask, share what's in it for her. Diba? Ito yung somehow yung padulo na yan siya. Okay. And yun nga, smart position. So, I usually say na in terms of urgency, no? Uy, alam mo ba, itong si ganito may smart position siya. So as you get to decide right now, marami kasi yung mga schedules mamaya or tomorrow and yung points purchases ng network niya, you can also benefit from it as you decide. Hindi if. I don't use if because that's conditional. Pwede mong ano yung word na as you decide right now. Kasi yung if, para nagkakaroon pa yan siya ng option, okay, I can decide right now or I can decide later. So the proper use of terms, sabi nga, no, kung nag-present ka ng 1 hour or 2 hours or more, sometimes few words can actually, ruin, no, the entire thing. That's why careful tayo guys sa mga choice of words. Ayan. So emphasize the smart possession. So at the end of the day, these are the guidelines in terms of how you would able to embody yung buy you before opportunity. Ito po. Why are you here? Diba? So, lalo na sa dulo na part, okay? So, you can tell na, alam mo friend, kaya talaga kita in-invite dito. It's because nakikita ko na ganito, ganyan, etc. So, you can, yung ganong sharing, it comes with kung ano yung nakikita or looking, if you haven't experienced, kung ano yung nalulook forward mo sa Yosana, if you have experienced it already, then you share it, right? With regard to the product, or kung naka-travel ka na, ganyan. So you can share na, kasi alam mo yung recent experience namin with the travels, ganyan. Alam mo naman, friend, isa ka sa mga pinaka malapit kong kaibigan and I really want na to grow in this opportunity kasama yung mga taong mahalaga sa akin. Mga ganyan, di ba? So, it's very important that as you get to share, not just with logic, but also with emotions. Kasi di ba, people die, sabi nga, not just na-realize nila na kailangan nila, but more so, they felt your sincerity that they really needed. Okay? So, just to elaborate further with the mindset, no? Ayan. Every time, guys, na mahuhuli mo yung sarili mo, so it's very important for you to really catch yourself. Kasi not all the time, kausap tayo ng mga coaches and mentors natin. Most of the time, ikaw lang talaga yan. So, you really have to be aware and conscious sa ano talaga yung running into your mind, no? Kasi you can either be a victim or a victor of a certain circumstance whenever hindi na ganun ka-empowering yung thoughts mo, right? So, if at some point of your business, no, in year and Yosana, or whenever you are in front of your guest, maisip mo to, baka naman hindi niya magustuhan yung offer ko. Naku, hindi kasi ko pushy, o yung ganyan, di ba? I don't want to push him or her. Or baka hindi, pag hindi to nag-join, baka hindi niya ma-hit yung goals ko. So whenever pumasok to sa isip, kasi sabi nga, di ba, whenever we are pursuing a certain goals in our life, at some point, grabe ang temptation or distraction for you not to achieve your goals and dreams, diba? Marami talaga in different forms, trabaho, si ganito, ganyan, nagkaroon ka ng personal problem with the family, and sometimes pwede maging reason natin yon not to pursue with what we want, no? But again, with the right mindset na, hindi, natutulungan ko yan siya talaga, no, to be in optimal health, experience financial freedom as well. Kapag hindi ko yan siya natulungan right now, naku, magsasuffer din to eventually. So you might as well, galingan mo talaga sa pagpaparealize at pagpapa-empower sa tao. I will do my best to make her realize how Yosana can address her current needs. Okay. Next naman, in addition to that, no, mindset in terms of aling areas, once again, be very specific on this. Ito lang talaga yun, guys. As long as the person would really feel and napapalutang mo during the discussion, na ulit-ulit mo yung need ng tao and how Yosana can particularly address that. Sabi niya may sakit siya sa puso, etc. etc. Elaborate mo, paano makakatulong ang prophecy, ang Kokinon, mga ganyan, ang Bio-Omega. Diba? Sabi niya medyo makakalimutin siya recently. Ibida mo Bio-Omega, ibida mo Copa Prime, mga ganyan. Diba? Kulang siya sa oras. I-highlight mo yung mga tao na, diba, before, walang oras sa pamilya. Ngayon, they have the, that's why attending immersions, trainings, pagpunta sa office, guys, dun ka makakakilala ng mga tao kung paano sila natulungan ng Yosana, no? Si Mentor Arnel Camino, 'di ba? So kahit na ang laki-laki ng Mentor Tina Rodil, sila yung mga tao na ang lalaki ng income pero they don't have lalaki ng income sa work nila before. However, they have to sacrifice so much time and not be present sa mga anak nila, no? And that's what Yosana particular, bakit sila nag-join at ginagawa ang Yosana, right? To have that time freedom while building inheritable wealth, yung mga ganyan, di ba? So yan yung not just logic but also with emotions, with kumbaga may feelings yan na nai-impart dun sa tao. Paano kung hindi ka nakaka-attend ng immersion ng training? Wala kang masa-share na ganong story, di ba? So, yun yung reason why is it that we really need to show up, right, sa mga ganitong trainings. And congratulations to you for being here, right? So, finances, others, etc. So, know the form and say it to your coach if I assist ka niya sa presentation. Again, BYBO, it means a lot, no? How you look, how you dress. That's why it's very important. May mga verbal and non-verbal cues ng how you get to carry yourself. Okay, so especially kung Zoom yan, very important na naka-open po yung ating video, no? It's a non-negotiable thing, diba? Na kailangan bukas po yung video natin. It's one way of showing up. Lalo na negosyo yung pag-uusapan natin. It's not just a business, it's a very big business. How you talk, yung sincerity ng tone, yung tonality natin. Minsan hihina, minsan lalakas. Yung boses is very important, di ba? Yung lighting, yung itsura ng paligid mo, ng background mo, baka may mga sinampay-sampay dyan, di ba? Importante, yan. Those are the small things na syempre, minsan mahihiyang sabihin sa'yo ng guest mo bakit hindi siya nag-join because of those small things na, alam mo yun, kung bakit siya hindi pa nagda-decide, right? And the script, okay? So yung script naman, I believe meron din naman kayo niyan. I will, medyo pasadahan ko yan ng konti, alright, later. But I believe you have also a reference, no, on your respective teams. Make sure meron kang copy and then paulit-ulit mo yang siyang basahin para mapunta sa subconscious mo, alright? But regardless of the objection of the client, this is the one that is very effective. Feel, felt, found. My friend, alam mo na, intindihan kita. Ganyan din ako dati. Intindihan ko na malaki sa yung 52,000. Intindihan ko kung feeling mo hindi mo kaya, kung skills yan. Feeling mo, kumbaga, yung hindi mo pa siya kailangan ngayon. Naintindihan ko yan. Ganyan din ako dati. Pero alam mo, na-realize ko, yon. Yung na-realize mo is that kung money, skills, or ano man yan, no? Yung other objections, dun mo siya sasabihin, dun sa found out. Right? But kailangan yung feel muna, masabi mo muna sa kanya na naiintindihan mo siya. Because there has to be the meeting of the minds. Kasi kung sabihin mo agad na, halimbawa, ang objection niya is, grabe, mahal naman kasi. Parang wala naman yan sa budget ko ngayon. Hindi mahal lang yun sana. Ayan. Hindi mo siya agad para sabihin ng gano'n, no? Na direct. So it has to go through this statement because this feel, felt, found has a may psychological impact po yan wherein mapaparamdam mo dun sa kausap mo na, hey, you're not alone. Even actually before, no? Yan din yung concern ko. But don't use but yun nga, iaano mo yun siya yung felt, no? Ganyan din ako dati, ganyan. So meeting of the minds din yan. And you make sure that you're on the same boat. Para yung realization part mag-sink in. Kasi kung hindi mo na muna dumaan doon sa, alam mo, naiintindihan kita, ganyan din ako dati, hindi masyadong magsisink in yung, pero alam mo, na-realize ko kung hindi mo talaga masabi. And that's why, take a screenshot of this para matandaan po natin. Alright, so we are already, imagine that you're already in the, ayun nga, ending part na ng presentation. So, instead of saying, oh, thank you, pinakinggan mo kami, ganyan, you can say these words instead na, buti na lang friend, you really need time for this. Kasi nga, sobrang makakatulong to sa'yo in terms of your, etc. Reminders lang naman to. So, important realizations to remember. That's why it's very important to attend a lot of, once again, trainings. Kasi lahat to, no, like the health, the finances, the industry, lahat yan. Sometimes there are slides that you have to bring up again or show just to make sure na maparealize sa kanya. Diba? Napakita mo naman to during the presentation nung umpisa. So, pwede mo ulit siya i-bring up kung hindi talaga nag-sink in sa kanya na, for example, kung ang sitwasyon is marami pa rin silang medical expenses sa family, or kung alam mo naman na meron na siyang history before of spending big in terms of medical expenses, okay lang na ulitin mo ulit yung ganitong realization. Friend, di ba, na-realize naman natin, lalo na sa panahon nung nangyari sa iyo yung ganong situation sa family mo na magkano yung in-spend during for the operations, almost 1 million, ganyan. Di ba ginawa din naman natin siya ng paraan, ginawa nyo rin siya ng paraan at during that time, kahit na, alam mo yun, hindi naman talaga tayo ready sa mga ganyang labasan ng pera. So, ang na-realize ko lang dyan talaga, friend, is that, kumbaga, gagawin din lang natin ng paraan. Might as well, no? Something that will really improve our health instead of sa mga ganyang mga pagkakasakit. Yes, kumbaga, yun yung mga pagkakataon that we want to save ourselves from. And kung hindi natin yan siya, if we will not gonna take care of, ourselves, our health right now, etc., mga ganyan, patuloy pa rin tayong gagastos ng mga ganyan kalaking mga expenses. Okay? So may mga certain scripts tayo for that. I'll further show to you later. Kung may mga objections in terms of feeling nila mahal pa rin yung essentials, you can bring up yung mga ganitong comparisons, yan, yung mga ganyan. In terms of kung kailangan pa ba niya ng income or hindi, you can bring up the realization ng inflation, di ba? Kasi inflation by default, laging may ganyan yan, di ba? Sabi nga, multiple sources of income is no longer a luxury right now. It's already a need, no? So, for the past 10 years, talagang, alam mo yon, hindi naman nagdoble ang minimum wage, nagdoble ang mga cost of goods, diba? Gasolina, yung asukal, pero hindi nagdoble ang minimum wage. So, asa pa tayo, diba, na talagang, if we will have the better quality of life from one source of income alone. There. So, the pandemic, etc., diba? Mga ganyang realizations. So, importante you are backed up by those. Lalo na kung sobrang malinaw sa kausap mo yung mga goals and dreams niya. Diba? You can even give yung mga ganitong computation na, uy, grabe friend do. So, talagang, we really want like to have a comfortable life. Hindi talaga uubra yung ganitong monthly source of income lang. Kailangan talaga natin magdagdag. Mga ganyan. So, this kind of realizations, realities actually, no? Like ito, yung mga ganitong it's vital meron kang ganitong mga templates, and if your friend is actually also considering having many sources of income or may gusto siya uling pasuking negosyo or may nag-iisip siya na simulang negosyo, it's good for you to also have this reference kasi ito yung criteria of 21st century business. You can show na hindi lang importante yung kitaan, but yung kitaan na may quality kang product. You can do the businesses just here in the Philippines, but also globally, online, mga ganyan. So, ang batayan ng pagsisimula ng isang negosyo, it's not just because you can earn millions, but also there are other criteria in terms of why would you do this business, right? Yan. So maganda backup ka ng mga ganyan data. Because apart from the, that will give the logic, and at the same time, yung how you correlate it sa buhay ng tao will give naman the emotional part. Yan. Okay. So summary again for OTS, have a very quality guest. Okay. Kasi hindi talaga mahirap mag-closing or handling objection kung alam mo may means. And may tiwala naman sa yung kausap mo. And napag-usapan niyo yung needs niya. Yon. Yung flow, make sure na sa dulo ng presentation talagang tatanungin mo siya ng mga dapat na tanungin. And in between also. And remind yourself, start of the day, not just right now, no, but every day, every start of the presentation, ano ba yung tumatakbo sa isip mo, how you carry yourself, etc. And the urgency. Okay? So there are different methods. So, kung hindi mo pa talaga ma-close yung iyong guest, diba? There are techniques and strategies that you can use. All right? So like for example, yung hurt and heal method. This was actually also shared by Tony Robbins, diba? Identifying the pains of the person. Kung halimbawang meron pa rin siyang resistance or objections in terms of starting it now, right? So, pwede mong gamitin tong can I ask someone to deliver this? Sige, yung mga nag-type ng OTS kanina, let's see.
Type me in the chat box. Ayan, tingnan natin po. Ito, si Jane Lorenzo.
Sige, yeah.
Ng hands.
Ayan, sige po, Jane. Hi, Coach Jane.
Morning po, mentor.
Ayan, morning. Ano po yung profession natin, work or business?
Po?
Ano po yung profession niyo or negosyo?
Before po, isa po akong manufacturing leader for 27 years.
Wow, manufacturing leader. O, di ba? Mga leaders talaga tayo dito sa Yasana. Alright, ma'am. So, can you try delivering this line? So, let's say ako yung guest, tapos ikaw yung nag-close sa akin. Di ba? Yung talagang hindi pa ako masyadong makapag-decide. But however, no, ginamit mo sa akin tong hurt and heal method. Ayan.
Okay.
Sige.
Okay.
Yung na-mention ba sa'yo ng doctor mo? With stage performance. Ano tayo dito, guys? Mga artista tayo dito. Tama ba mga artistahin tayo dito, guys? So, by the way, no, that's also something na remind sa amin ni mentor. Kailangan, tayo dito, best performance. Di ba? Mga artista tayo dito. So, with all feelings, kailangan, ayan, dito tayo magdrama during the presentation and close. Sige po, go ahead, Coach. Alright.
Okay. Na-mention ba sa ng doctor mo possible complication ng sakit mo?
Oo, na-mention naman niya.
Ano kaya sa tingin mo mararamdaman magiging klase ng buhay ng family mo, asawa mo, mga anak mo, if that will happen to you? Knock on wood,
Ayan. So, syempre, nakakalungkot yung finances namin mas lalong lumaki, ganyan. Tapos, syempre, bata pa yung mga anak ko, ganun. Yun, alright. So, congrats, no, Coach. So, yun siya, pag dineliver mo yan siya, ganun yung tonality din. Medyo sincere, hindi mataray, no? Ayun. And mellow lang, ganun. Kasi lalo na pag health yung usapan. Bakit? Kasi the fact na, alam mo yun, kung hindi pa mag-decide ngayon yung friend mo, ang tawag din, parang mga feeling into the future. Alam mo na, subconsciously, alam naman natin lahat yung kakahinatnan pag hindi tayo naging proactive. Pero iba din kasi if you are reiterating it once again. Parang you are putting more pain into the person right now. Not just because gusto mo siyang saktan, but you want like to bring more awareness para gawin niya yung paraan, yung something na alam mong mas ikakasuffer pa niya in the future if the person would not make waves right now. Diba? Yan. Hurt and heal method. So pagka-hurt mo sa kanya, nung hinurt mo siya, i-heal mo rin yan din siya. So you heal in terms of yun, kaya nga kita kinausap ngayon, diba? So I'm sure na-realize mo kanina yung mga products na makakatulong sa'yo, lalo na yung Cell Essentials, yung Hepasil, para friend, hindi mo na ma-address natin yung further complications, hindi na lumala, ganyan, because it's all about nourishing and repairing your cells. Yung napag-usapan natin kanina. Hence, there's a possibility na yung medical expenses nyo, hindi na yan siya patuloy na lumaki. And at the same time, di ba, pag healthy talaga yung kayo as a family, you can enjoy better quality of life sa mga bata, right? Nakikita nila na yung parents nila hindi nagkakasakit. Hence, nakikita rin nila yung possibility na, they can really grow ng walang mga ganyang iniindang health concerns, right? Yan, yung mga ganon. Hurt and heal. So once na na-bring out niyo yung pain, make sure na ibabalik niyo ulit dun siya sa solution. Babalik ulit kayo sa package. So, diba, that's why ito yung mga products na mention mo kanina, yan naman yung laman ng healthy lifestyle package. So, ano bang prefer mo, friend? Yung Visa o yung Mastercard mo yung gamitin natin? Yun. Encode na natin, go na tayo. Mga ganyan. So, ibabalik nyo siya ulit dun sa, dun sa package. Ganyan. So, you can also use this identifying or articulating mga competitive advantage, ganyan, offering an alternative solution, discussing the opportunity cost, ganyan. So, halimbawa, yung 52,000, pero marami naman ng 52,000 yung dumating sa, dumating sa palad natin or nahawakan natin, di ba? Pero ano ba yung mga naging results no? So you can even tawag dito, sulat, no? You can even write, man. Yung mga ganyang techniques, ginagawa din yan siya ni mentor. Checks, diba? So 52,000, let's say kung matutulog yan sa bangko mo for this year versus 52,000 na ilalagay mo sa isa niya. Ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari? Yun. So pwede mong ilista yan and you can marirealize dyan actually na, mas marami palang benefits yung 52,000 ko pag nilagay ko sa Usana, right? In terms of the products, in terms of the possibility ng earning, the personal growth that I can have when I get to be part of this community, etc., etc. Versus yung 52,000 na mauubos lang because of the expenses. Diba? Yun lang naman kasi yun. Right? And then facts tell, stories sell. So ano bang mga story ang bit-bit mo, ang alam mo at ang narinig mo? Yan, that's why investing time and effort in attending trainings, may it be offline or online, can save you a lot of time. Kasi feeling, iba, training na naman, ganda naman. But actually, the more that you know stories, the more that you get to save more time in terms of yung feeling mo na walang nangyayari. But actually, the more that you get to hear stories, naiimbak yan sa subconscious mo para marami kang bala, right, during the presentations, right? That's why importante na every week, aside from hataw-hataw and all that present, you get to take a pause and sharpen yourself, right? To remind yourself of things that you need to do. Ayan. So, all right. If hindi mo agad yan siya ma-OTS, know that fortune is in the follow-up. Diba? Sabi nga dito, 80% of sales require 5 follow-ups after the initial contact, with 45% of salespeople give up after 1. That's why we have to go pro. Pa-type naman go pro in the chat box. No? Di ba professional tayo? All-star diamonds. Do follow-up. Yun kanina si Sir Randy, di ba? Sabi nga niya parang, it's the second time around, this time he would do the business. So, meron siyang mga realizations versus the first exposure and the second exposure. So, 'di ba? Sabi nga diamonds are hard to find. And pag nakuha mo naman yan sila, it's really worth it. Yung pag-income ng 6-7 figure, pag-build ng 6-7 figure passive income here in Usana, definitely it's challenging. Kung yung mga trabaho nga natin challenging, alam naman natin hindi ka magiging milyonaryo doon or hindi tayo makakapag-build ng 7-figure passive income, pero grabe nating karirin, 'di ba? Ito pa ba na alam natin that as we get to build our skills, right, and really put an effort, alam naman natin at kitang-kita natin, diba, sa mga mentors natin that it's really possible, right? So, fortune is in the follow-up. Tingnan natin. That's why it's very important for you to have a particular list of those people whom you have presented. Kumuha ng product or hindi man yan nag-join, balik-balikan mo yan siya. Alright? That's why we have a lot of events. Recently, meron tayong mga fun fair. Guys, i-acknowledge, natin yun, i-value natin yung mga ganun na ginagawa ng corporate at ng team natin. I think every Wednesday, nagkakaroon tayo sa Parañaque. So check mo, baka may mga kilala ka Parañaque area. Every Wednesday, meron tayong collaboration ng Health and Freedom dyan. Diba? Mentor Deos also knows the details with regard to that. Bukod sa mga online events ninyo, live events, yan. So, let's maximize that, alright? So, fortune is in the follow-up. So, just keep on growing. Know na, sabi nga, a child learns to walk and falls down 50 times, pero hindi naman niya sinabi sa sarili niya na, ay baka hindi para sa akin yung paglalakad. Wala namang ganun, right? So the fact being, yung pag-attend mo ng training na to is not an assurance na 100% of the time makaka-pay, makaka-on the spot ka. But know that it's the thing that you keep on doing it will give you, no, the muscle, right, and the mastery na kinakailangan mo for you to eventually, no, keep on closing sales and helping a lot of people. So sa mga nagsa-start, again, pa lang, just keep on going. Okay, sabi nga dito na wag ka susuko, malapit na mag-pay in yan. So after this, keep on immersing and keep on applying daily lahat ng mga natutunan natin because you haven't learned your lesson until you apply what you have learned. Have a blessed week, everyone. Looking forward sa ating Q1 growth and for the rest of the growth ng next quarter natin. So once again, congratulations and God bless.
Maraming salamat, Mentor Mary Rose Del Rio, for that very wonderful, grabe, no? So sobrang powerful na mga skills, 'di ba? Na very important talaga na para for us, 'di ba, to have on the spot. Iyan, 'di ba? Ang tawag diyan is OTS. Tama ba 'yan, Tita Ermi?
Oh, unmute myself. Yes, Mentor Diaz. Sobrang dami nating learnings today.
Sobrang daming learnings, no? And talaga naman magpasalamat tayo, no, for the time na binigay sa atin ni Mentor Mary Rose, of course, syempre, 'di ba? This is really Sunday pero talaga naglaan siya ng time for us, no, for us to learn paano ba tayo magkaroon ng mga 500 points this week. Grabe, no? So, ang galing, ang daming mga natutunan. So, one of the most favorite na ako na nakuha ko kanina do sa training ni Mentor Mary Rose talaga is we need to follow up, 'di ba? So sabi, grabe, kailangan natin talaga balik-balikan din yung mga guests natin, no? Kasi baka naman ngayon nagbago na ang kanilang pananaw sa buhay, 'di ba? And syempre, no, additional din sa mga natutunan ko kanina is we close the deal not sa end lang ng presentation pero sa umpisa pa lang. How do we assess ourselves, 'di ba? Familiar ba tayo sa role natin na okay, nandito tayo, dapat we dress properly, we talk, we have the confidence, we have the sincerity, 'di ba? To close or 'di ba, ma-make sure na yung ating prospects is talaga naman mag-join sa ating business. Ayan, Tita Ermi, ikaw naman, what was your most favorite na natutunan kanina?
Yes, Mentor. Ako din yung yung OTS din principles na right mindset that I can help this person. Yun lang talaga. So, and also the Bible, people buy before the opportunity. So with your sincerity, makikita din nila yun. At saka yung educate, influence, and empower. So, training lang guys, attend ng trainings para din maka-educate tayo and then maka-influence and ma-empower din natin sila na mag-join sa Usana Usana group, Usana business. Yan
Sure.
lang.
Yun, okay. And definitely, no, Mentor Mary Rose, do you have time to answer questions? Kung may sakali may question yung mga tao dito. Okay, so nag-thumbs up si Mentor Mary Rose. No? May mga questions ba dito sa room that you would like to ask? Yeah, no? So can you type it sa chat box or pwede kayong mag-raise ng hands? Okay, so that we can assist you. Maybe you have questions sa talk ni Mentor Mary Rose kanina. Right. No, so grabe, no, talagang ako kanina when Mentor Mary Rose is really sharing everything, na sabi ko grabe, sobrang himay na himay talaga lahat. No, one of the best trainers talaga in closing and handling objections talaga yan, si Mentor Mary Rose talaga. Kaya minake sure ko talaga na siya ang ating speaker for today, and I'm sure marami din talaga sa inyo na enlightened. O, di ba? Yun yung term, eh. We were able to be enlightened, di ba? Dun sa mga sharing sa atin ni Mentor Mary Rose kanina. Okay. Sige. So, if you don't have any questions, no, can you open our cameras, guys? Okay, pwede ba tayo mag-open ng camera? Yan, no? So, syempre, ito na pinaka-favorite part nyong lahat. na ang ating Zoom fee or photo taking. Ayan. Okay, let's open our cameras, guys. Grabe, no? Talagang ang dami-dami nating ano natin dito, no? Kompleto talaga tayo lahat dito, no? From all over the Philippines. 'Di ba? Ayan. Okay. So, ang dami natin, ano? Okay, sige, ano lang ako, sige. Ang dami pa lang page nito. Okay, sige, just open your cameras, no? And magte-take tayo ng ng Zoom fee. Okay? Ayan. All right. So, open your cameras, guys, in 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, smile lang na smile kasi hindi mo alam kung nasaan ka dito sa page na to. 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, no, maraming salamat, no, Mentor Mary Rose, and syempre, 'di ba? Tayo ay mag-unmute. Teka, i-unmute ko kayong lahat para sabay-sabay tayo. Okay, alam niyo na, you know the deal.
Thank you, Mentor.
Para
Thank you,
pasalamatan ko
Coach
ng ating
MR.
1, 2, 3. Let's say thank you, Mentor Rose Del Rio.
Thank
you,
you,
Mentor
Mentor
Rose
Rose.
Del Rio.
Thank you, Mentor Mary Rose.
Salamat,
Welcome everyone. Salamat din po. God bless.
Maraming salamat for your time, wisdom, and talaga namang siksik, liglig, umaapaw na knowledge, inspiration, and empowerment sa aming lahat. No, I hope na God bless you more, no, with your very good heart, and talagang grabe, no, growth for this year 2024. Thank you so much, Mentor Mary Rose. Ayan, no. So, guys, no, isa na namang napakagrabe, powerful session ang nangyari ngayong Sunday, no, dito sa Philippines, and Saturday, no, sa US and Canada, no. Guys, okay, so kayo right now, no, na nandito right now, what is your greatest learning, no, sa talk kanina ni Mentor Mary Rose? Can you type it sa chat box, guys? Ayan, no. So, ang powerful ng training ni Mentor Mary Rose kanina talaga naman, no, inisa-isa talaga ni Mentor lahat ng kailangan nating matutunan kapag meron ka ng guest, no. I'm sure everyone was so empowered kanina. Okay, ayan, no, mukhang mahaba-haba ang tinatype ng iba. Okay, so si Mentor Mads, I guess, recorded this training, so we will get that training later. Okay, ayan, sabi ni Jared, nag-ask siya ng ano natin. Okay, sabi ni Eleni, sincerity in sharing. Ayan, okay. Sabi naman ni Colleen, know your products. Okay, so yan. So maraming tayong natutunan, ano. So, guys, ilang tulog na lang, we will have the grandest and biggest celebration here in the Philippines, the 15th celebration anniversary sa Marriott Grand Ballroom. This March 17, Sunday. Sino dito ang may mga tickets na? Okay, make sure to have your tickets, no? Kasi ang early bird is only until February 20, no? So February 20 na lang po. Okay, and then tapos na yung mga early bird, no? So bumili na kayo ng tickets tomorrow, no? And make sure na maka-attend kayo sa March 17, guys. Ito lang ha. Sa tagal ko na dito sa USANA, first time kong makaka-attend ng anniversary ng USANA sa Marriott Grand Ballroom, no? So make sure na maka-attend talaga ay sobrang bongga, no? Ang ating Chief Scientist Officer na si Rob Sinat ay mula sa Utah, USA ay pupunta dito, and also si David Mulham talagang chief naman, no, for sa marketing natin, and also ang darating din, of course, 'di ba? Ang ating Vice President ng Asia Pacific, si Chung Kim, 'di ba? And marami pa. Plus, the top one distributor of Malaysia, Lucas Lim and Jane Liu. Grabe, no? So talagang make sure to get your tickets, guys. Sino dito ang a-attend, no, sa March 17? Type me. 'Di ba? Okay, sige. Powerful, ano? So, make sure, ayan, sabi ni Maying, no? Me. Okay, sila Coach Lani, me. Diba? So, sabi dito ni Erica, yung excitement and sincerity pagkaharap mo ang guest, we need to understand the business, not just having knowledge about it. Mastery, tama. Maging dalubhasa tayo talaga dito sa USANA business. Okay. So, mayroon bang umattend dito na kaka-rank advancement lang last week? Meron ba dito nung nagkaka-rank advancement lang last week? Yan, I know. Baka naman meron dito is a new director, no? New silver director. Meron ba dito sa room? Ayan, no? So, congratulations sa inyong mga rank advancement. And of course, Tita Ermi, no? Talaga naman, no? Excited kami. Guys, by the way, share ko lang, si Tita Ermi ay darating dito sa Philippines on May. Tama ba, Tita Ermi? Sa May ka ba darating?
Yes, mentor.
Yan, no? So we can see each other. No?
Excited.
Exciting, no? So finally, ang ating mga taga-Alaska ay darating dito sa Manila, no? And of course, no, guys, no, we would love to see each other din sa mga conventions, no? So sino dito ang on the record, no, sa kanilang Las Vegas, no, for next year. Ayan, no? So make sure to hit your $15,000, no, na growth this year. So we still have a lot of time, no? February pa lang naman. Kayang-kaya pa nating i-hit yan. Alright? No? So, Tita Ermi, any last words before we end this training?
Salamat sa lahat na nag-attend dito ngayon. Sobra akong grateful na nag-join ng USANA. I'm here for 3 years yata, mahigit. Pero kahit what is that, mentor? Kahit kakiting, hindi ko alam talaga. Kahit small, yung sinasabing
katiting, yes.
Ayaw ko na mag-proceed ng business. Wala yan. Wala yan sa sa mind ko. So, sige lang, kahit na part-time ko ginawa siya, pero dahan-dahan ko lang siyang ginawa. Kasi, pag dahan-dahan mong ginawa, may pupuntahan ka pa rin. So, kasi dito sa negosyo, pipili ka lang gusto mo ng you can do it faster or you can do it like slowly. It's up to you. You're the master of your business here. Yun lang siguro ang masishare ko.
Grabe.
Thank you sa lahat.
Sobrang powerful realizations from upcoming mentor Ermi Celdeño na yan, no, di ba? So, yan, no?
Sana.
Correct. So we know talaga na in this business, no, wala tayong boss. Ikaw talaga ang master of your business, no? So need to take charge, 'di ba? And kung meron naman ikaw opportunity, 'di ba, na mag-decide kung bibilisan mo or babagalan mo, ano ba ang pipiliin mo? 'Di ba? Of course, 'di ba? So if you can do it faster, no, para syempre para sa mga pangarap natin. And marami pang mga pwede pang matulungan dito sa business ng USANA. So make sure talaga na we need to share it to more people din talaga. 'Di ba? And syempre, ako sobrang talagang nakakatuwa lang, no, na etong opportunity na to knock on my door, no, nung ako ay na-invite dito sa USANA na hindi ko akalain din syempre, 'di ba, na magiging successful tayo, na dating nakikinig lang, nag-a-attend lang ako ng mga training. So my last words for you guys is tama si Tita Ermi, you need to continue. 'Di ba? Wag kang titigil. No? So this week, you have another chance. You have another week to, alam mo yun, to make a change to your business. No? So kalimutan mo na yung past, tapos na yon, no? Kung last week wala kang pain, last week wala kang mga na-achieve sa USANA business mo, today, this week is another week given to us by God para ma-maximize mo, para tayo ay talaga naman. Okay? Isang tao lang yan. Okay, tatanda mo, one more time. Sige nyo type sa chat box, one more time. Diba? Isang beses pa baka yung next prospect mo na, iyan na ang nagpapasabog sa iyong USANA business. Diba? One more time lang ng one more time, magugulat ka, ang layo na pala ng narating mo dito sa USANA. Yan lang ang mindset ko. No? Every time na feeling ko, napapagod ako, feeling ko dami ko rejections, one more time, isa pa. Diba? So, that's all for today. No? I hope marami tayong natutunan, no? And talagang kayo, every one of you guys, make sure din talaga na this week, wag kayong huwag kayong papayag na hindi kayo makapagpa-goal set sa inyong mga uplines, no? Kasi at the end of the day, di ba, yung mga uplines nyo, they know what to do in your business, no? Huwag mong taguan yung upline mo, di ba? This week, bumawi ka, lumaban ka, no? Magpaturo ka ano yung mga sabi nga ni Mentor Meros, ano yung hindi mo na alam, yun ang kailangan mong i-improve, kailangan mong i-master right now, no? USANA is a continuous learning and improvement talaga, no? So, wag ka pumayag na kung sino ka last week, ngayong week, ganun ka na naman nahaharap sa guests mo. Diba? So, this week, dapat may bagong ikaw. Version 2.0. O, diba? Okay, so, maraming salamat, everyone. Thank you so much for attending this our Sunday Huddle. See you again next week for another powerful training, no, na talagang, I'm sure, makakatulong sa business nyo. Sino dito ang magdadala ng bagong distributor nila o bagong associate next week? Type me. O, di ba? Dapat may bago kayong ipapapasok dito, no? Kasi may in-invite na naman kami na powerful speaker to share for you guys. No? Make sure talaga na meron kayong mapa-attend. Okay? So, that's all, everyone. Maraming salamat. Good night. Good night, Tita Ermi, and have a blessed Sunday dito sa mga tao dito sa Philippines. Thank you. We are USANA.
Thank you, Mr. Darius.